Hello everyone. So if you want to insert your SD card into your Xiaomi Redmi A3, so before we begin, make sure that your phone is turned off. This is important to avoid damaging the data on your card. Now, grab your special tool for opening the card slot. You can search for it in the phone box, it should be there, or you can grab a paper clip if you don't have anything. Now, locate the slot. So it's located on the left side of our screen. Here it is. Now, simply insert the tool into a small hole near it. So insert it and gently press it to eject the slot. Let's eject it. Now, locate your SD card slot. So here it is. Now grab your SD card and simply insert it. Make sure that the contacts are facing upwards. So now let's insert it back to our phone. Okay, we won't need the SIM card for now. Now, basically that's it. We can close the slot and turn our phone back on. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Please consider subscribing to our channel and have a great day.